Hi everyone, Lagorizan here, just living in a database. And for today's video, papakita ko sa inyo yung Shopee cart ko because I'm planning to build a streaming PC for our church. Ang budget ko is 12,000 pesos. So let's start. I'm recording this video on the 3/3 Shopee brand sale, so you expect that the price is different kapag chinek nyo na siya. So let's start. In the computer case, I chose the InPlay Win01. Nagkakalaga siya ng 749 pesos. As you can see, pinili ko siya dahil sa aesthetic niya, meron siyang honeycomb design and acrylic side panel. We have a limited one stock. Ang shop is the Kimp PC Computer Store. Right now, I can fit the micro ATX and ITX motherboards, and it doesn't have fan. Kaya ang next on my list is the InPlay M10 Rainbow RGB 120mm fan na nagkakalaga ng 149 pesos. As you can see, meron siyang Halo RGB style. Same shop siya na pinilang ko ng case, so I expect na when the case arrive, kasama na nito yung 3 na fans na pinili ko. Let's proceed on the main star of the show, the Intel i3 9th Gen, and partner it with the MSI H310M Pro VDH Plus. This is a bundle. It means nakasama na yung processor sa motherboard na nagkakalaga 6,580 pesos. The I Love PC at Iba Pa shop has only one stock, so you expect na not available na to on the time na i-review niyo yung items na to. The processor is an i3 9100F. We have an 4 cores and 4 threads with a 40 nanometer. And for the motherboard, it supports DDR4 up to 2666 MHz. Right now, I'm not planning to buy a video card kasi hindi na siya kasama sa budget ko. So, I'm gonna rely on the display output, the VGA, HDMI, and DVI, which is enough para sa needs ko. For the memory RAM, I have the Aves here core memory 8GB 2600 MHz DDR4, nagkakalaga ng 2,108 pesos. As you can see, mas pinaboran ko yung aesthetic dahil RGB na siya. And gusto kasing maximize yung acrylic side panel, kaya ito yung pinili ko. Ang shop ay ECPCPH, which is a reputable brand. Lagi akong umorder dito. So for the power supply, I choose the Rock 400 watts power supply. Wala siyang certification, so you didn't expect na high quality siya, but ito lang kasi yung abot sa budget ko. Nagkakalaga siya ng 418 pesos. Kaya naman yung palagayan, yung processor and yung motherboard and other and since hindi kasama yung CPU cooling, I choose the Stark Void Top Low Air CPU na nagkakahalaga ng 325 pesos. As you can see, mas marami pa kayong mabibiling mas mura, but I also chose this dahil meron siyang Halo RGB style and tingin ko magiging maganda yung itsura niya. Same shop with the ECPC PH and kasya naman siya dun sa processor niya na nabili ko. You can choose other brands na mas reputable, but I chose the Indelinks SSD. So I have the 120 gig na nagkakalaga ng 900 pesos. Nagamit ko na siya sa laptop ko and wala naman akong problema. So I chose this over other brands na nagkakalaga ng 1,100 pesos. The shop is the 22PH, which is hindi pa ako nakaka-order dito, but it has a 3-year warranty, which is I don't know if makiklaim ko ba siya. Overall, wala pa naman akong bad experience about kay Indelinks. Overall, nagkakalaga siya ng 11,581 and yung budget ko is 12,000 pesos. I hope na ma-approve yung budget before buying these items and ipapakita ko sa inyo how it will come. So, ang purpose nito is for live streaming, hindi siya dedicated for gaming, but still based dun sa specs to na nabili ko, I think it can run well also on games. Yun lang guys, so see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.